Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you want to subtract numbers in seconds without borrowing? So let's use the Vedic Math Sutra, all from 9 and last from 10. So let's start the trick with the example 1000 minus 357. So last number would be 10, the rest become 9, and we deduct the number before zeros by 1. We subtract from left to right. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. 10 minus 7 is 3. Our final answer will be 643. Let's try with another example. The second example is 1000 minus 648. The last zero becomes 10, remaining zeros become 9, and we deduct the left side number by 1. We start the subtraction from left side, so this is 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. 10 minus 8 is 2. So this is how the Vedic math trick works. Let's take the third example, which is 10,000 minus 6749. So the last zero becomes 10, others 9, and we subtract the left side last number by 1. We start the subtraction from left side. So 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 10 minus 9 is 1. So the final answer is 3251. That's it. No boring, no confusion. Just use all from 9 and last from 10. Next time you subtract the big numbers, remember this technique and follow me for more Vedic Math magic tricks. Hope you liked the video.